Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password of your Bitget's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your Bitget Wallet's account password, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in bitget.com and make a search. The official page of Bitget Wallet's account will appear on the page. Tap on Login option at the top right corner of the screen. Log into your account using your login credentials and the home page of Bitget Wallet's account will appear on the screen. Click on Security option at the left-hand side of the page. Under Advanced Security, you can see Login Password option. Click on Edit option and enter your old password associated with your Bitget Wallet's account. Create a new password and confirm your new password by re-entering it, then tap on Submit. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. From the pop-up, click on Send option to receive a verification code. A verification code will be sent to your email address for confirmation. Enter a verification code sent to your email address for confirmation and tap on Confirm. This is how you can change password on Bitget Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.